Good morning, students, to my online class. I am Sharat Kharat from Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 2. And today we will start our lesson with good thought. Please read this thought, beta. Anyone from you read this thought?
Your best teacher is your last mistake.
Yes, very good. And can you tell me the meaning of this thought?
Which is our best teacher? That is
Yes.
last mistake.
Yes, very good. Means when we commit mistake or when we do any work, that time some mistakes happen, but that time we should keep ourselves quiet and calm, and we have to try again and again. So if we make any mistake, that mistake is okay. It is natural. It happens. But after committing mistake, we can learn so many things from that mistake. So it is said that when we do any mistake, it is not that much bad, but we have to learn something from that mistake, and in our future we have to avoid such mistakes, and then we will get our success. Okay. So do you understand meaning of this thought now?
Yes.
Very good. And can you see this picture?
Angry. Yes, angry.
Yes, this is emoji of angry. So when do you get angry? Can you tell me?
When
When do you get angry, beta? Do you get angry anytime?
told me.
Yes. If someone scold you, suppose your friend don't listen to you, something happen you suppose don't like, that time you feel angry and you make such face. Is it right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And what do you see in this picture?
Disgusting.
Disgusting. And
Uh,
when do you
Hello,
feel
sir.
disgusting? Can you tell? Yes, sir.
Hello. Are you using earphones?
Huh, sir.
Your voice
Yes,
is
sir.
coming. Voice is coming. So remove it.
Okay. And what do you see this in this picture? Disgusting. And when do you feel disgusting? Can you tell me?
Means,
Hello.
sir,
When do you feel disgusting?
disgusting means
Di- yes, disgusting means this is a condition in which you feel angry or you feel don't like something, or you give negative reactions and you don't want to see something that is happening. This is the combination of many negative mental conditions in which you don't like to see something, you don't like to hear something which you don't like. That time you make such a face, disgusting. If something is happening that you don't like and which is very means you even don't want to see and listen, that things we say you
ill.
feel. Yes, very good. And what do you see now?
Fear. Fear.
Fear. Do you feel fear anytime?
Yes.
When do you feel fear?
Uh,
When suppose if you find yourself in darkness, or when you are alone in home, and when you see horror films or movies, that time you feel fear. Is it
like
right?
yes.
Yes, this is also our mental condition or emotional condition, we can say. And now
Happy.
happy. When you get happiness, beta?
Mm, when we go to trip. Yeah,
Yes.
when we get when our is birthday.
Yes, when you have your birthday, or when you go to trip, or we can say if something happens that you like, that time you feel happy and you enjoy that day. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And this
Sadness.
sadness. Do you feel sadness?
Yes.
When you feel sadness, When something happens that you don't like.
When my pet
Yes.
is miss.
And when your mother or father scold you if you don't have done any mistake, even though if they are scolding you, that time you feel sadness. Means you think that I didn't do anything, and even though my parents are scolding me, that time you feel sadness. Yes.
Yes.
So these all are our emotional conditions. And this picture, what do you see?
Surprise.
Do you feel surprised anytime?
Yes.
Sometime we feel surprised sometime.
Yes.
When you get 20 out of 20 mark in test paper, that time you feel surprised. Is it right?
Yes.
And if your friend give you birthday gift, that time also you feel surprised. Is it right?
Yes.
And if suppose your father or mother gives you any gift, that time also you feel surprised. Is it right?
Yes.
So all these are our emotional condition. So student, today we are going to learn EVS lesson, and name of that lesson is our emotional word. Lesson number 20, subject EVS 1. So these are basic 6 expressions like anger, disgusting, fear, joy, sadness, and surprise. Is it right?
Yes.
And beside this 6 basic expression, there are many more expressions. Can you read this picture now?
Yes.
Yes, beta, read it.
Natural, plant, uh,
Resentful.
resentful,
Yes.
playful, frightened, sad, satisfied,
Ailing.
alien, thoughtful, joyful, crying, angry, funny,
Enamored.
and
Astonished. And laughing.
laughing.
So this depends on our mental mood or mental condition or emotional condition, we can say. Sometimes we are natural, while sometimes we are calm. Sometimes we feel resentful, and sometimes we are very playful. Sometimes we feel fear, or we can say sometimes we feel frightened. Sometimes we are very sad. Sometimes we are satisfied. Sometimes we feel ill, means ailing. Sometimes we are not well. And sometimes we think about so many things. That time we can say we are thoughtful. Sometimes jolly and sometimes crying. Sometimes angry and sometimes funny. So all these are our emotional conditions. So how to control all our emotions and how to develop our personality, we will learn in next slide. So which point we should remember? Means just now we said anger, forgiveness, joy, sorrow, jealousy, sacrifice, fear, disappointments, all these condition comes in our life, in our day-to-day life. So we have to control on all these our feelings. Human beings are emotional as well as rational. Emotional adjustment is the ability to control our emotion, expression, and express them in the appropriate or accurate manner. Means sometimes even though if we feel angry, or even though if we feel like to cry, that time we have to control ourselves, and we have to understand the situation, and then only we have to express ourselves. So then only our personality will be developed, and we will we can cope with our emotions. So balanced personality is about how we can improve our relations, like how we will be flexible with situation, and even when we get angry, how to control our anger, how we can keep ourselves calm, and how can we uh, respect other people. And we must know our capabilities. Means some in every person there is positive point and there is negative point, or we can say we have some advantages and disadvantages. Means sometimes some people are very angry, some are very calm and quiet, some people are very jealous, some people are very natural. So all these are different emotionals, and every person has his different emotional traits. So he has to learn from his behavior, and he have to understand himself first, and then only he can understand to other people's. And if we make conscious efforts means if we continuously self-evaluate ourselves, and if we try to understand ourselves, then only we can develop our personality. So this is emotional intelligence. Can you read this? Which points are there in emotional intelligence?
Self-awareness,
Yes.
self-regulation, social skills, empathy,
Apathy and motivation. Yes,
motivation.
means these points comes under our emotional intelligence. Self-awareness means, see beta, self-awareness means we have to understand ourselves. This is about self-awareness. Where I am wrong, where I am right, am I doing right thing or am I doing wrong things? So this is about self-awareness. Am I hurting to anyone? So how can I respect other people's? How can I respect myself? These things come under self-awareness. If we make ourselves understand ourselves, then only we can understand to other people. Self-regulation means we have to follow some certain rules of society. We don't have to hurt anyone. We have to respect other people. We have to respect their emotions and their feelings. And if we do such things, then only other peoples will understand our feelings. They will understand us and they can cooperate with us. And social skills means the skills of speaking skill, mixing in the society, participating in their happiness, participating in their bad time. So all these skills come under social skills. Empathy is also we have to feel good for other people. Means we should not be jealous. Your friend get first rank in the exam, or if he get any surprise gift, or if he get anything good for himself, that time we have to feel good about him, and we should not be jealous on him. So this is come under empathy. And motivation is such thing we have to motivate ourselves for good things, and with this thing we have to motivate other people also. If they are doing good work, we have to motivate them, and they will do their best work, and they will give back us motivation. So all these things comes under emotional intelligence. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Very good. And how to cope with anger? We know anger is a natural feeling, and it is our emotion, one of the strong emotion. So when do you feel angry? What do you do? When do you when you get angry, what do you do, beta? Can you tell me?
Uh, take deep breath for you and keep calm.
Yes, you throw something where, if there is something in front of you, you get that thing and throw outside, or you throw in the corner in anger, and you speak in loud voice. Is it right?
No.
But sometimes it happens, beta.
Yes.
We shout on our parents or we shout on our friend when we get angry. Is it right?
Yes.
I too do something sometimes, but what should we do to control our anger? See here, think before you speak to someone in anger. Whenever we get anger, we have to think from our inner side, and we have to think that what we are talking, is it right or is it wrong? Then only we can control ourselves. Find the exact reason behind it. If something there happens that we don't like, even though we have to find the exact reason why I'm getting angry, why I'm shouting, why I don't like such things. So we have to realize ourselves why I'm doing like this, and keep calm. We have to keep ourselves calm and cool, and take deep breath. If we take deep breath, then our anger automatically normal, or it will be demolished. And forgiveness, even though some our friends, those who are not good and they are hurting us, but even though if we forgive them, then it will give positive attitude to ourselves. So all these things we should have to do to control our anger. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Can you tell me any two things what should we do to control our anger?
Keep calm. Take deep breath.
Very good. And forgive other peoples or other friends. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. And there is a chart. What can we do beside these things? Write journal or draw how I feel. When you get angry now, beta, that time you have to open your notebook, or we can say your notepad. And if you start writing something on it, why I'm getting angry? Am I angry? Are my words correct? Am I wrong? Am I right? What should I do? So you will find your exact solution. And focus on my breathing. You have to focus on your breathing, control your breathing. Squeeze a stress ball. We know there we find stress ball or anything there is around us. We have to touch on that things, and we have to count our pulses, and we have to control on ourselves. Stop and think about what I am feeling. And before reacting on anger, before reacting in anger, or before speaking in anger to anyone, we have to think yourself. We have to control ourselves and call or talk to my trusted adult. Trusted adult means, you know, our mother and father are trusted people. We can tell them anything that happens to us. If we tell them, they will definitely give us solution. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, means that time you have to talk with your parents, like big brother or father or mother. And exercise, if you start doing exercise, even though you will feel fresh and emotionally balanced. Or you can do one more thing, listen to my favorite music. So this is also the best option. If you feel angry, start your favorite music and listen it, and you can dance also. Do you like to sing and dance?
Yes.
Yes. So such thing you have to do when you get angry. Will you do such things when you get angry? Would you like to do such things, beta?
Yes.
Very good. And how does a balanced personality develop? Means day-to-day life we see personality development. How can we develop ourselves? How can we be socialize? So if we build a positive attitude, or if we think positively, we will develop ourselves as a balanced person. And second point is cooperation. If we cooperate with our friends, with our mother, fathers, with our relatives, with our class teacher, and everyone that comes in contact with us, if we cooperate with him, he will also cooperate with us, and we will develop our personality. And understanding, we have to understand each other, and we have bonding, means good bonding means he has to understand us, and we have to understand the person who is in contact with us. Emotional attachment, we know we have emotional attachment with our family members like mother, father, sister, brother, relatives, our school friend, our best friend. So all these kinds of friends, we have emotional attachment. Is it right? When there is a birthday of your friend, what do you do, beta? When there is birthday of your friend, what do you do?
So we give a gift.
Yes, you give a gift. Means this is the example of emotional bonding or emotional attachment. Means you find good with him, you want to surprise him, you want to feel him good. So that's why you give him birthday gift. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So such things develops emotional attachment, and that your friend will give you back some gift when you have your birthday. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So such things and such events gives us emotional attachment. We feel fresh. We want our friend with us in our happiness or in our sorrow also. So this is the thing, and this is how we can develop our personality. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And share your feelings. Now tell me your own behavior from the time you wake up in the morning till you go to bed. how your face changes. Can you tell me from the time you wake up in the morning and till you go to bed? Can you tell me which feelings is there during this time?
Sir, when I wake up, my face is sleepy.
Yes, very good. And then
And at night, my face is not sleepy.
yes, and once you go to the bed and once you go to the sleep, you again feel sleepy. Is it right?
Yes.
And in the morning when you bath and when you take a tea, that time you feel fresh.
Yes.
Yes. And
Yes.
if suppose there is call from your friend and he is saying, "Come on, Rohan, we will play." That time, what will you feel?
Happy.
Happy, joyful, energetic. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. And when you come to school and you take the lunch and when your lunch is over, at that time your mother says, "Rohan, it is over now. Do your study." What do you feel that time?
Uh,
That time you feel little bit like your mother is scolding you, feel unhappy. Is it right?
yes.
Yes, sir. So all these things are our emotions. Means when we like to do something, we feel free, fresh, joyful, and when we don't like to do something, we feel tiredness. We don't want to do such things. Okay. Second question: picture of natural disaster in the newspaper. In newspaper, we see many pictures, and if you see natural disaster like earthquake, floods in the newspaper, what will be your reaction?
Sure. Surprise. Sure.
Yes, and shocking. And you, yes, beta,
Sir, when you was asking
you
this
feel
question,
shocking.
na, your voice was
Yes,
breaking.
beta. Okay. I will repeat my question. Okay. Picture of natural disaster in the newspaper. If you see newspaper and in newspaper, if you see a picture of natural disasters like earthquake, floods, such things, so what will be your first reaction?
Surprise.
Surprise and disgusting, and you will feel unhappy.
Yes.
Yes, means you don't like to see such pictures. You feel uh, uh, very bad for those people. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is our emotions. Means we think from our heart. We think from our emotions. So these are all are our emotions. And third point question is news about a cricket match in the newspaper. If you see such news in a newspaper, what will be your reaction?
Happy.
Happy, and you would like to see the score of Virat Kohli, score of Rohit Sharma, and score of India, who hit the big sixes, who hit the fours. Is it right? Who got
Yes.
the man of the match? Who got man of the series? Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Means this you want to see. You would like to see your favorite player score. You would like to see your favorite team, who won the cup, who won the series. So these are all are our emotional conditions. Anger at your classmate. If someone is angry on your classmate who is your best friend, what do you feel that time?
Mm,
You want very bad for your friend and you want to like fight with other boy who is fighting with who is angry on your friend. Is it right?
yes.
Yes, means you have emotional attachment with your friends, means you don't want to hurt your friend and you want to save your friend and you will take your friend's side. Is it right?
Yes.
So it's natural thing. The trick that jokers play in the circus. If you see the circus and when you see the joker, what will be your reaction?
Joyful.
Joyful. And means you will be, again I can say, you want to like you will feel energetic, happy, and you want to see that things again and again.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and again, do you see the picture?
Yes.
What do you see in the picture?
Yeah. Two boys are fighting.
Two boys are fighting. And when you see such picture in your school or in when you go in the school, when do you see such picture, what will you do? What will you
Not
do?
going to fighting.
Mm, but is it right? But is it right? So here, what should you have to do? You have to make them understand fighting is not good. You should do not fight. Be friend with each other, and whatever their problem, you will try to solve that problem. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. And do you see this picture now? He is very
Yes.
frightened. He is feeling fear. And suppose you see such small boy or small girl in your surrounding in such condition, what will you do?
I asked them. I asked them, why you are frightened?
Yes, you will ask her or him, why are you frightening? And you will try to make him understand there is not such things. Come with me. I will help you. Tell me what happens to you. Such thing you will ask, and you will try to make him free and feel happy.
Happy.
Yes. And if suppose this is your bigger sister and she is scolding to you, so what will be your reaction?
Angry.
Yes, you will feel angry, you will feel sad, and you will start crying.
Yes.
Yes. But when you feel angry with your sister, you have to think from your inner side that my sister is scolding for right reason. I was doing wrong. I was not studying properly. That's why my sister was scolding me. So I will study, I will listen to her, and then she will not scold me. So you have to see think like this.
Yes.
And if you see a small baby crying
Yes.
at the corner, what will you do?
I try to make the baby happy.
Yes, you will try to make the baby happy. You will ask him, what happens to you? Where are you? Where is your mother and father? Where you want to go? Do you like to eat something? I have a chocolate. Do you like chocolate? So such thing you will ask to small babies. And small baby will be happy. She will tell his or her problem to you. And she will tell you that take to me to my mummy or papa. And then she will be happy. Is it right, beta? Hello. So this thing we have to do. And now my first question is, there is one situation, how will you react? Situation is your teacher doesn't listen to you in the class. So how will you react? Can you tell me?
Request politely, listen carefully,
Yes.
Wait
wait for
for your
your
turn.
turn.
Ask your robot when class is over.
Yes, very good. In class, we see class teacher is normally we see class teachers are very busy while teaching in your class, and that time you want to say something or you want to ask some doubt. But normally, what happens in if teacher is busy, she don't give attention to you, and you feel very sad. But you have to think that you will request politely to her, and you will listen carefully to your teacher what she is teaching to
Wait
you,
for your
and
turn.
and you will wait for your turn. When her speaking is over, then only you will try to say, ma'am, miss or sir, can you please tell me how to do it? I don't have pen. What can I do? I have not done my homework. What can I do? Such thing you can ask. And even though she is not listening or that sir is not listening, then when when her class is over, when that lecture is over or that period is over, once it is finished, you can ask your doubt or your question. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So that will be the proper timing or that will be the proper situation to ask your doubt. Okay. And second situation, your parents ask your opinion while making decision. Means in your home, your parents want to bring some articles like TV set, LED TV or
Sir,
anything,
what do you
and
think?
they are asking your opinion. So how will you react?
Share what you think. Feel
Yes.
free to ask questions. Share free frank opinion. Discuss with your parents.
Yes, means you will share your free frank opinion. Means your parents want to bring Samsung TV, LED TV set, and if you want to bring Philips, so you can share your opinions. Papa, that TV is not good. This TV is good. I don't like such TV. Means your like and dislike you will keep in front of your parents. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Means this will develop your emotional bonding or your parents will understand your emotion and you will understand emotions of your parents. And third situation, if your friend got a big prize and how will you react then?
Appreciated him.
Appreciate him
Give
and
him clap for his achievement. Ask about his efforts. Motivate him to do his best.
yes, means when your friend got big prize, you will appreciate him. And how will you appreciate him? Appreciate means we have to show him that you are doing good work. You will clap for his achievement and you will ask for his efforts. How you achieved this prize? What did you do? How you do the work? Can you tell me? And you will again motivate him to do best things. And situation number 4, your friend insulted you in the class in front of so much students or children. So how will you react that time?
Keep clap and
Angry.
No, beta, anger is not that much good. Just now we have seen what should we have to do. We have to keep
not
calm
insult him as a revenge.
and don't insult him as a revenge. Revenge means we are taking means he has insulted me na, so I will insult him. This
Try
thing
to
is
make
known
him
as revenge.
understand.
So you have to avoid such things. Is it right?
Yes, try to him understand. Try to
Yes.
make him understand. Use polite words and
Make him realize
how he is doing wrong.
he is doing wrong.
Yes. Means you will make him realize that he is doing wrong. He is insulting in front of so many students. That is not right. You will try to convenience him in polite words. Listen to my friend. I am not doing like this. I am not hurting to you. Why you are insulting me? What I am doing? What I have done wrong to you? So like this, in polite word, you will try to make him understand. Is it
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. And this is situation number 5. Your classmates praise you. You have done something good and that time your classmate is praising you. So what will be your reactions?
Say thank you. Praise them for their good work. Be polite and humble.
Try to your best every time without
Your best every time without hurting anyone.
Keep healthy competition.
Yes, very good. Just now you said you will say thank you. How will you say thank you to your friends in your words? Can you tell me?
Thank you for
Yes, like this. Thank you, my friend. Nice. Thank you for supporting me. Like this, you will say. Is it right?
Yes.
And when they do their good work, that time you will praise them. You will appreciate them.
yes.
And you will be very polite. You will even though you get the best prize, you will be polite and you will be humble. and you will try to not hurt anyone because they are praising you for your good work. So
Yes.
like this, you have to react in different situation. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Now can you tell me what would you do? There is one Ranjit and Abhay are fighting over who gets to sit on the first bench. Both Ranjit and Abhay want to sit on the first place or first bench. They are both very angry. They are close throwing their each other's bags. So how will you solve their problem?
We will solve their problem. One day we'll sit Ranjit and one day we'll sit Abhay.
Yes, very good. That's answer I was expecting. Very good, beta. Keep it up. Very good. You will try to solve such problem. You will make them both understand. See, Ranjit and Abhay, you both are class student. You both are equal. So one day Ranjit will sit there and one day Abhay will sit there. Or you can do one more thing that who comes earlier in the school that he will sit on the first bench. Is it right?
Yes. And
Yes, very
who
good.
will come late that will sit back bench.
Backside. Yes, very good. That will be good. And second question is Hemant wants to take part in the kabaddi competition, but he is shy. He is nervous about telling it to the teacher. So how will you help to Hemant?
We will tell to teacher. Hemant wants to take part in kabaddi competition.
Yes, that will also be nice. But instead of telling directly to the teacher, will you like to Hemant to tell something? Would you like to tell something to Hemant?
Yes. Don't nervous. Go and tell to teacher.
Yes, very good, very good. You will tell Hemant, Hemant, why are you shying? Don't feel nervous. Go directly to teacher. I will come with you. If you want, if you feeling fear to talk with the teacher, I will come with you. Don't take. I know how good you play the kabaddi, and if you want to play kabaddi, we both will go to the teacher, and I will, or you will tell to the teacher directly. I will help you. I will support you. Like this, you will tell to Hemant also. Is it right?
Yes.
Very good. And third question is Rekha accidentally took Nisha's notebook home. Accidentally means not in means she don't know what she is doing, but by mistake she has taken Nisha's notebook, and Nisha is now angry over Rekha. So how will you make understand Rekha and Nisha?
Nisha, don't angry.
Very good.
Rekha, since sadly, your notebook taken.
Okay, so Nisha, uh, Rekha will give you return notebook when the school is open on the next day. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So such thing you have to think like this, and you can stop all the fighting or anything miss things happening there. You can solve all such things. And now we will learn. We will revise what we have learned. Emotions must be expressed. Means if we feel angry, we have to express in polite word. And when we feel want to cry, we have to cry, but in controlled way. And there must be a balance between our thoughts and emotion. Sometimes what happens, we are fully in control in our emotions, but that time we have to think. When we take correct emotion and correct thought, then only we can develop our personality. Anger must be controlled, otherwise it will hurt to your friend, and automatically that will hurt to you also. So
Yes.
it affects our mind and body. And we must aware of our flaws and our talents, means our good points and our bad points. And we have to avoid our bad points, or we can overcome our bad points. When we self evaluate ourselves, when we try to make ourselves better person, that time we can avoid our flaws, and we can try to correct the flaws in our nature, and that will develop our personality. It will help our society, and all the other people will help each other, and they will cooperate with each other. And this is question for evaluation. Can you tell me answer orally in one word? Name two of your good qualities. Can you tell me now?
Polite words.
Any two good qualities? Yes, beta.
Do not angry.
Very good.
And use polite words.
Yes, these are. But which are your good qualities? Good qualities mean you are cooperative and you are helping. Is it right?
Yes. I help to each other.
Yes. And second question is name two of your flaws.
Sir, flaws means what?
Flaws means your bad points, means you are not helping each other, you are very jealous, or you don't want to listen to anybody, you are very cruel. So can you tell me any two of your flaws, your bad points?
Angry.
Yes. And
Listening. Do not listening to others.
yes, don't want to listen others. So these are two your flaws. Means even though if you don't have any flaws, you have to think which are the normal people or which is very natural. What will you do if you are not selected in the school cricket team and you want to play cricket? You are very good in cricket, but even though you are not selected in your cricket team, so what will you do?
I will tell to teacher to select me.
Yes, and in polite words and in good manners. Is it right?
And I respect.
Yeah, and you will respect your teacher. So that will be the, yes, that will be the good solution, and it will help you to solve your problem. And teacher will try to understand you, and she will try to make you participate in the kabaddi team. Sorry, cricket team. Fourth question is, what advice will you give to your short-tempered friend? Means if you have one friend, he's very short-tempered, he get angry very soon. On every time he get angry, and you have to make him cool. So how will you make him cool and quiet?
I will tell don't angry.
Yes. And you will ask, what do you need? I will give you, but keep quiet. Don't fight with others.
I will give you help. Tell me what is problem.
Yes, I will support you. Just tell me what you want. What do you say? What do you think?
What is your problem?
Yes. So such thing, if you ask and if you support him, automatically he will keep himself quiet, and he will also develop his personality. Very good. And fifth question, will you say sorry if you made a mistake?
Yes.
Yes. And how will you say sorry?
Sorry from
Sorry,
me.
mama. Sorry, papa. Or sorry, my friend. I really apologize. I will not do next time.
Any mistake.
Yes. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Like this, you will say. If you make mistake. And mistakes are, we don't do mistake, means we don't want to commit mistake, but sometime unknowingly it happens. Is it right?
Yes.
And if such things happens, that time we should say sorry. Very good. And second question is, can you tell, Manoj says I am going to school and instead goes to the playground to play. Is this correct?
No. Is wrong.
He is wrong. So how will you tell Manoj to stop doing such thing?
Do not go to play. Come in the school to teachers.
And when you want to playground, say truly to your mother and father that I'm going to playground. You don't need to lie. Is it right?
Speak lie.
Yes. And what will you tell your friend who has habit of borrowing things and not returning them on time? So how will you develop this how you help your friend to break this habit?
No. No.
Can you tell me now?
Yes.
You
Do
you
not,
can tell him, see friend, this is not good thing.
do not
To take
do it.
something, if you are borrowing something money or something from other people, you have to give that things on time. Is it right?
Yes.
And next time they will not give you if you do such things. And if you give your things on time, next time they will help you.
Yes.
So you have to make him understand like this. And this is how you will help your friend from developing their personality, develop their emotional world. So these all are emotions, and we have to cooperate and we have to bind these emotions for good cause. And this is your homework. There are characteristics and self-observation. You have to observe yourself.
Share the screen.
Suppose first question I will explain. I will tell you I get very angry. So you have to tick always, often, sometime, or never. So what will you put under this? I get angry. I get very angry.
Sir, what is my often?
Often means again and again.
Always the
Always means always, every time.
tick yeah wrong. Do.
And sometime means little time. And never means never.
Sir,
So
we write there yeah do tick or wrong.
yes, you have to only tick.
Yes.
Out of four, there are 4 columns. Now you have to tick only in one column.
Yes.
Okay, please take a screenshot.
I
I
take the screenshot.
You have to screenshot, na?
Yes.
Very good. And this is about coronavirus. You have to stay home, stay safe, and maintain social distancing. Avoid touching nose, eyes, and ears. And thank you for attending my online class, beta. Thank you very much.